Okay guys, so in this video, let me do something. What? No. Okay, so we're doing Minecraft server. I'll put the IP in the description. So So I already did it in the last video, but I should do strong rules. So I'm showing you around with. I didn't think I was supposed to do was terrible. So there's the chat thing, blah blah. I would show you stuff. What is this? I do not know. I'll show you what it's kind of. This is a 1 day or 4. Diamond, 1 day or 4. I can see. Oh, it says 1 day or 4, and there's 3 diamond. I can see. But, too heavy. That. So I'm actually out in the server, but anyway, it's fine. There's a shop. This type of showing them you guys the trap I'm in. The building was made by Hobbit and the signs made by me. 2 shot. 2 shot. So you can buy. And so on. Same wood, gold, diamond, and big extension wood. Could be this. For pickaxe, don't worry, the upgrade will be better when you can see what is this. Start video, fuck, I don't even know. Until it's not done, it's on. And so. Don't travel, whatever. It'll show all the tools. He's making a food shop right now. I'm gonna make armor, and then I'm gonna make clothes. So it's gonna be like dyed leather, which is gonna be kind of cool and funny. There you go, there's a plugin of skins. Actually, post plugins that I can tell the armor. Well, right now it had the warp plugin, but we kind of got it deleted. So kind of stink. Oh, these are the statue that people can't see. No, oh my God. Statues. It's one of the owners, I think, of Navy SEAL, the second owner, but not the creator, said remove them, which I can't give you the sign, so he's like, and there's a super puzzle, one of the puzzles kind of happens. I don't even know what happened to him. So I was gonna make the shoes, and yeah, of my notch. If you see, my skin is notch. Oh my God, you can see camera. Oh, either way, notch. So my inventory, I actually got armor, and yeah. I don't give outs, only XP sometimes, but doesn't drop bodies. Let me look around. Sometimes I don't know, because people do sometimes, and sometimes they don't. The end bottle. And then delete this. Actually, I'm a supervisor, so one of the we're not behind. Got one of the head supervisor. My sister's a mod, but mom's one. Oh, it's daytime, so let me do something. Difficulty? Oh. No. Oh, that won't work. Difficulty. Oh, there's two S, I think. No, there isn't. Difficult. Oh, God, I hate this. Difficult. Difficult. Oh my God. Give me this name of the command. Let's see. Difficulty. No. What's my spelling wrong? I don't even know. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll put the IP in the description, so if you want to play, have a good time, then go on it. Well, I might not get the most subscribers because I'm new in the way right now. Please tell people about me and subscribe. So I hope you liked the video and I appreciate it. And if you like famous YouTuber or YouTuber you're doing suffer, I'm not gonna. Well, I might give it. I don't even know because you guys might buy or something. No sense. I will give you. We're gonna make a YouTube link maybe. So I'm gonna be staff search YouTube link or something like that. So I'm gonna end the video here. So hope you liked it and see you later. Oh, sorry, post daily. Yeah, well, actually, I'm not gonna end it. So, I just said it yourself. Let me just tell you, I'm gonna post. I post Minecraft a lot. Call of Duty. I want to post Beyblade, if you know what that is. Or Pokemon, Black and White. Tell me in the description if you want me to. Call of Duty, all the shooting games, Battlefield. I have a PlayStation as well, Minecraft. I don't even know if I should do on the iPad, which I'm recording with. So, yeah. And I have a sister, which is in middle school, which is she's right now. I'm in